Hi everyone. All right, we are going to go over worksheet number 48, and this is where our vowel Y will have an E sound. So we're going to put a dot over the Y. So let's look at our words. We're going to say them together. Okay, here we go. We have 50, free, dry, ruffle, flimsy, cane. So there's a couple of words here that will apply to the rule for today. So we're going to code each one, and then you're going to work on the back side of the worksheet when we're finished. All right, first word we have is 50. 50. All right, first I hear two syllables. So let's divide our syllables. I hear that E sound with the Y, so we can go ahead and code that one. We have a short I sound. And we are going to label this VCCV. And if you'll notice, we have a V, a vowel I, and the Y is used as a vowel on this one. So we have VCCV. And we're going to accent the first syllable. Do you see anything over to the side, a picture that might match up to 50? We'll go ahead and match that up. It goes to this picture here. All right, next one we have free. I'm going to change colors so that this one all go together. Free. We have a double E sound. We're going to cross out the last one because we just hear the one when they're together like that. All right, and we have a long E sound. Next we have dry. Now this word dry has a I sound. So we're going to put the dot there, but then we're going to put macron over the top to show it has that I sound. And we're going to accent that word. Next word, we have ruffle. Ruffle. Two syllables, so we're going to divide there. Okay. And we have FLE. So we're going to take this division line and we're going to turn it into a bracket there. Ruffle, FLE. Okay. And we have a short U sound. We have a quiet E at the end. And we have accent mark for that first syllable. Do we see anything that looks like a ruffle over to the side? It's like the bottom of a skirt there has a little ruffle on it. Okay, next word we have flimsy. Flimsy. Okay, so we're going to two syllables, divide it into its two syllables. We have two vowels. Let's go ahead and mark the Y. We have that E sound, so we're going to use that as a vowel. So we have a vowel here, a vowel here. So we're going to do VCCV. We have a short I sound. And we're accenting the first syllable. Okay? Last word, cane. Cane. It has a long A sound, so we'll put a macron. We have a K sound, so we'll put a K back, and a quiet E. All right, so let's read the short story. We're going to underline details to help us answer the questions. Ready? My uncle gave me a puppy from the pet store. We will get to see it after school. When the puppy gets here, we need to feed it first and then let it sleep. Question number 7. What will we do first? So let's look through here. It says, Uncle gave me a puppy from the pet store. We will get to see it after school. When it gets here, what will they need to do first? Right here, it says we need to feed it first. So what will we do first? We will feed the puppy. Okay, number 8. Where did the uncle get the puppy? Well, it says first sentence, my uncle gave me a puppy from a pet store. So we'll circle in the matching answer. Last question. The puppy will want to sleep. Is this a yes or no? Did it say in the story that the puppy will want to sleep? Okay, and it says that after we feed it, we're going to let it sleep because I'm sure that puppy's going to be worn out and puppies need their rest. Okay, so you're going to flip your paper over, finish the backside independently, put it in your folder to turn in to your teacher. Have a great day.